Hello number block fans. In today's video, we're going to exploring our number block 10 times table. So the first character is 1 lots of 10. So before we go to 1 lots of 10, we have to explore the first number block 10. Number block 10 is coming. Ta-da! She's landed. It's time to take out your outfit 10. Just like this. Great. We got 1 lot of 10. So 10 is alone. But she has 2 star-shaped eyes. That's because she is made of 2 lots of 5s or 5 lots of 2s, which means each star has 5 points. So 5 times 2 equals 10. And she has 10 fingers with 2 hands. So number block 10 needs her own friend because she is very alone. So the next character is our number block 2 lots of 10. So we need to find the another 10 again, Now, number block 10 is going to coming through. Whee! Here's the another 10. Now, here's the another 10. It's time to take off your outfit, the another 10. Great. Well, we got 2 10s. Hey, 10, it's not alone. You have a new friend. Now we got 1 lot of 10 plus 1 lot of 10. And she wants to make a bigger numbers, which means that she has to combine the another 10. Well, 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 lots of 10s equals to number block 20. 20 is made out of 2 lots of 10s. Also, 20 has bow tie and top hat. That's because he loves dance. He dances better than 2, and that's because he loves to dance 2 10s tango. And just like our 2 10s like before, well, he has similar face to number block 2, and that's because he's split into 10 2s. So the next character is 3 lots of 10s. Now, before we go to 3 lots of 10s, we're going to exploring the another 10 just like this. Here comes the another 10. She's landed. Time to take out your outfit 10. Okay, great. Now your outfit is gone, so it's time to combine them together. We got 2 10s plus 1 10 equals 3 10s. Also, our number block 3 10s are number block 30. 30 is made out of 3 lots of 10s. She has similar face to our number block 3, but much bigger than 3. That's because she's bigger than 3 10 times. She's a big entertainer. That's why she wears a circus crown. And she loves to entertain everyone. Alright, 3 lots of 10s are 30. And 30 loves entertain everyone. So it's time to explore the 4 lots of 10s. Okay guys, it's time to use the another 10 to make the 4 lots of 10s. Just like this. Here comes the another 10. Yay, number block 10 is landed. Time to take out your outfit. Okay, good. Now we need to combine these 2 all together. Well, 1 10 plus 3 10 is 4 10. And 4 10s are number block 40. 40 is made of 4 lots of 10s with a pet of Blanky. Well, 40 couldn't make couldn't make square. That's because 40 isn't a square, unlike number block 4. However, he has rectangular eyes with the checkered eyebrows. Each eyebrows has 20 rectangles. Well, 2 lots of 20s are number block 40. So, next character is 5 lots of 10s. We need to take the another 10 from the rocket, so the number block 10 is coming soon. Here comes the another 10. She's landed. Now I gotta take her outfits off. Ta-da! The outfit is gone. We got 1 lot of 10 plus 4 lots of 10s equals 5 lots of 10s. We need to combine these 2 all together just like this. I got 5 lots of 10s. Also, 5 lots of 10s are our number block. Can you guess? It's our number block 50. 50 is made out of 5 lots of 10s. However, she has the rocking gold guitar, but much bigger than 5 again, and that's because she's bigger than 5 10 times, which means 10 5s. She loves to play her rock and roll guitar in every band. You know, she plays in every band and she says rock and roll. She has shooting star shaped eye. So we need to go to the next character is 6 lots of 10s. We need our another 10, just like this. Here comes the another 10. It's time to take out your outfit 10. There you go. Here's our Numberblock 10. We got 5 10s plus 1 10s equals 6 10s. Alright, also our Numberblock 6 10s are Numberblock 60. 60 is made of 6 lots of 10s. However, she has the face similar to Numberblock 6, but bigger than 6. That's because she's bigger than 6 10 times. Okay, also 60 loves to play board games just like Numberblock 6. However, her dice is much different, you know, like why? And that's because her dice spots from number 10 to 60. We count by 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. Unlike Numberblock 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, here's her. So the next character is 7 lots of 10s. Before we go to 7 lots of 10s, we need to explore another 10. Here comes the 10. It's time to take out your outfit 10. Yeah. Here's the another 10 without outfit. Now we need to combine all these two together to make 7 10s. 6 plus 1 is 7. And 7 lots of 10s are equal to our Numberblock 70. 70 is made of 7 10s. However, 70 has the face bigger than 7, and that's because he's bigger than 7 10 times. And also has the hair top just like 7, but much bigger. And his colors are lighter than Numberblock 7, but also rainbow color. And that's because he's very lucky. 10 lots of 7s. So that's our Numberblock 70, which is 7 10s. Next character is 8 lots of 10s. Well, I think I'm going to take another 10. Here, she's coming. She comes and then she takes out her outfit. Okay, now we need to combine these two together. So we got 7 10s plus 1 10 equals 8 10s. Also, 8 10s are equals to our Numberblock 80. 80 is about 8 lots of 10s. However, 80 is a superhero just like 8, but much bigger than 8, and that's because he's bigger than 8 10 times. He has Octoblock face similar to 8, but much bigger. And the Octoblock badge 80 because he's a superhero, and he has tentacles just like Numberblock 8. So 8 lots of 10s are Numberblock 80. Alright, time to go to the next character, which is 9 lots of 10s. 10 is coming. Now take out her outfit. Good. Now we got 1 10 plus 8 10s equals 9 10s. And now one Numberblock 9 10s are equal to Numberblock. Can you guess? It's our Numberblock 90. 90 is made of 9 lots of 10s. 90 has hair. Well, he has hair just like, I don't know, just like who, but anyways, hair to represent 3 lots of 30s. And also, he has pocket to put his wand in it. However, he couldn't make squares, he can make just only rectangles. Unlike Numberblock 9, that's why he has rectangular eyes. So 9 lots of 10s are Numberblock 90. It's time to go to the last character, which is 10 10s. Okay, 10 10s. Well, before we go 10 10s, here's the another 10, last 10. Time to take out her outfit. There. Here's 9 10s plus 1 10 equals 10 10s. We need to combine them together just like this. We got 10 10s. Also, our Numberblock 10 10s. 100. 100 is made of 10 10s. However, Numberblock 100 is a square. And that's because she's the member of the Square Club. 10 by 10 square and red chessboard color, and also has square shaped eye, but only one eye to represent that our number block 10, number block 100 is made of 100 lots of ones. And also, she's made of one lots of 100. And here's our last character, 100, which is 10 tenths. Also, it's the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoy our Numberblocks 10 times table, which is the heroes with zeros Mathlink Cubes. Or we can say heroes with zero sets. So bye-bye, fans. See you next time.